Bakerpan Food Coloring Markers set of 7. Of all the edible markers for cookies that we tried in our test kitchen, these are the ones we thought most appropriate for children's projects. They are very inexpensive and are perfect for practicing technique. The dye washed right off our fingers, so even if a mess is made, there are no long-term signs of it. Bakerpan Food Coloring Markers comes in a set of 7 colors: red, blue, green, yellow, black, purple, and orange. Each color left our cookies tasting unchanged by the food coloring. These are also kosher, making them perfect for those who follow a kosher diet. These food coloring markers do not write well on any fat-based products, where the ink tends to smudge and run instead of being absorbed. For the purpose of coloring on fondant, however, they were perfectly adequate. The nibs on Bakerspan markers are all very large, almost like a classic ink marker in size. This is part of what makes them so perfect for children. Adults, however, might find this to be annoying. They are too large for creating any kind of fine detail. Another issue for adults is that the colors are not vibrant, but instead look a little washed out. This is no doubt due to the fact that they are a drier marker. They do not bleed easily, which helped prevent our hands from becoming very stained, but that also means that if you want anything to be a vibrant color, you may have to color over it twice. Here are some pros. Perfect for kids, easy cleanup, kosher. Here are some cons. Not vibrant, drier pens.